All right, hit the like and subscribe buttons if this video helps you out. This is our hose setup for our garden, irrigation, and other uses. I got two of these 0Gs, which I love. If you haven't heard of these are awesome. There'll be a link in the description. Bought these probably 6-7 years ago. So I got two hoses, one spigot, and then my irrigation system that you can see, that black pipe there. It runs all the way down. Getting some wind, headed that out to my garden. And all that's on a timer. So let's hook it up and see if it works. Of course the wind's kicking up, but that's all right. First thing is to put the splitter on. This is my main hose, long one. Shut off valves. Those are in the off position. This is a short hose over here hanging that I swap out with the long hose. And then this guy gets hooked up here, putting it in the garden this weekend, which is Mother's Day. And then I'm confused. And then the irrigation line, which is like right in front of me. Now the test is to turn everything on to see if anything leaks. So I'm going to turn this on. These up. So water doesn't fly out. Turn this on. That works. No leaks. And then this, I don't even know how to work it.
A few moments later.
It should be on now.
What's up, Ben? Got a problem. Get it on? Yeah. Back on.
Well, it tells you down there how much time you have till it starts.
2 minutes till it starts.
A few moments later.
Alright, this thing has got an auto feature and then a timer feature, and we're testing the timer feature to see if it works. We got less than a minute. We should hear some noise once it counts down to 137, and then I'll go check the garden to see if the drip line's working. I always unhook everything at the end of fall so that stuff doesn't freeze or get frozen or corroded, stuck together, especially the aluminum and copper stuff. So we take it all apart and we put it all back together. Yep, I opened it up. Got a little leaky leak right there. Let's see if that goes away. I'm going to have to tighten it. But we can't have that, or I have problems in the basement. It's definitely pushing water. You can see it dripping. It's a drip system on a timer. Works pretty good. Try to put the product in the links below. I didn't get it, my wife did. But we do have a problem right there, Houston. Right there. There we go. Just need to tighten right there a little bit. Nope, everything's working. Now we gotta get the garden in. How much did you get wrapped up in this for cost?
That one, I think it was 120 altogether.
120 for this drip garden system.
But we also have other parts that we didn't use.
Yeah. It worked great last year. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.
And it was dripdepot.com.
dripdepot.com. And all the other accessories we got on Amazon.